Here's the fun part. This ain't mine, but it's here so I can fix it. So we have a Western roller model. No idea, can't read it. What the problem is our Tecumseh engine, which is 8 horsepower, it's not working the way that it's supposed to. A couple of big red flags to begin with. One, we're using water hose for a fuel line. This cap, not really sure what we're thinking with a cap like that. That's more of a food grade kind of cap. So we've tested for compression. Really what we're looking for is crust or varnish, like a layer of just something that's other than metal. And usually what that is the ethanol that's broken down inside of the fuel that was put into the carburetor or the gas tank. So in this case, we have that varnish. This style is super finicky to deal with. I'm just gonna replace this carburetor. It's super cheap to do. That's more varnish going into the head. Shouldn't be yellow like that. All gummed up. No good. Then we get a bright, shiny new one straight from China. Make sure it's the same thing. We're in good shape. So I'm just going to attach a new fuel line via some electrical tape. Hopefully it holds. If you screw it up, you really got to take apart the engine case, and I don't want to do that right now. So I'll just feed on one side and pull on the other. Hopefully everything goes the way that I need it to go without any issues. But anything is possible, and we might fuck everything up. There we go. Here we don't have any of these clamps. Get them on Amazon. There we go. I like where that sits. No kink, there's no pressure. Looking good. That's that. Then we need another one of these clamps. The new carburetor came with a brand new gasket, so we'll just use that. There. We get that fuel line on here. And our primer. We can put our screws back in. Choke on, choke off, choke on, choke off, choke on, choke off. Make sure it's on. We've got this, and our primer works. Bro, I'm gonna need to get me one of these. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I personally am very pleased with how well that runs. Just change the oil, deliver it. We're good.